Making emails go to a specific folder is very simple. For this one, all you have to do is go into one of the emails where you want to basically send all of these to a folder. Now once you're here, all you have to do is click on the three dots right here beside the email and find filter messages like this, click into, and then you will see this right here. Now you can leave this right, and also you can change the size, what doesn't have, what has the words, if it has an attachment or doesn't include chats. You can change all of this stuff, but if you only want all of the messages from this guy to go into a specific folder, you can click on create filter. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and find apply the label. Now you can check mark this in, then click on choose label, new label. Now you can select a name for this label or folder basically. Once that's done, you can even add a new nest, but if you don't want to bother with that, you can just leave it as a label. And once you're done, just all you have to do is click on create. And now once we are done, just click on create filter, and if we go back, we'll see a new folder pop up, Rumble only. And now every single time a new Rumble email will appear right here, it will go to this folder. If you want the existing ones already to go to this folder, you can also do that by right clicking here, clicking find emails from Rumble. Now click on the top box right here, click on the three dots, and you can label them as Rumble only, and now they're gonna be right here. Happy making emails go to a specific folder and have fun.